Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily make your invoice recurring in QuickBooks online. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is you're going to click on sales and invoices, and when you're going to click on an invoice, you can click on it, and let's say I'm going to edit the invoice on bottom right. When you're going to do it, you're going to be on invoice, and then in the bottom you're going to see it here, make recurring. And when you're going to click on it, you will have interval here. And you can change the interval from monthly to daily, weekly, yearly, monthly, and you can choose on the first, second, third, fourth, last, first Monday for every 1 month, or you can go weekly, every 1 week on Monday, and you can really customize it as much as you want. When you got it, you go to bottom right. Start date is going to be from April and save template. And this is pretty much it how you do it. So this is how you can form really quickly recurring invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.